To celebrate India Day. We are very blessed and fortunate to live in a country and a city that is so diverse in culture and peoples, and we are very fortunate to have one special group here with us today. We have a special guest, the Serbian community of Edmonton. They will be presenting Malo Vlasko Oro. The Vlasko dance is known as the shepherd's dance in the eastern region of Serbia. After a long day, the shepherds begin their trek home, and along the way, the girls of the village dance and celebrate. These dances typically entail stomping through oaks. This represents the destruction of evil in order to welcome hope, joy, and celebrate a successful day's work. This dance has been choreographed by Nina Malinovic. So let's give it up for longtime supporters of the CISE, the Serbian community of Edmonton.